gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
This phone is seriously intriguing. One of the standout additions this time is a brand new lock screen feature that really changes how you interact with the device. I managed to get early access to the unreleased OPPO Find X9S Pro right as it surfaced. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. And the first thing that caught my eye was the color. It's kind of hard to pin down. Does it look more blue or green to you? Officially, it's called Riding the Wind Blue, which is pretty unique. Last year, we saw the Hermes riding style trending, and now it seems like this fresh blue tone is taking over. The camera module has also gone through a noticeable redesign. OPPO is calling it the new inspiration window. And when you tilt the phone, you'll notice this subtle rock-like texture that adds a really premium touch. But here's the big highlight. Both the main camera and the telephoto lens are equipped with Hasselblad-tuned 200 megapixel sensors. That's a big deal, especially since S models are usually just small upgrades. Honestly, I expected something like this only on the Ultra variant. Flipping to the front, the display looks just as refined as ever. I've got a fresh spring-themed wallpaper here to show you, and it uses this soft, slightly obscured visual style that feels perfect for the season. Spring is all about getting out and capturing moments, right? Now, let's talk about the new ColorOS 16 experience. There's this gold badge feature, and once you unlock it, a transparent island appears right on the lock screen. When you open multiple apps, you can simply swipe down and they all collapse into this sleek, transparent capsule. You can swipe left or right to switch between functions, and the best part is it doesn't block your wallpaper at all. Tap on it, and it smoothly expands back into the app. Let's try it with the Rhythm app. A tap expands it, and from here you can easily switch tracks or check out lyrics. Even the timer is accessible right from this interface. But personally, I find the map feature the most useful. You can check navigation directly from the lock screen without jumping between apps, which is super convenient. The front design remains incredibly polished, featuring ultra-slim 1.1mm bezels on all four sides. Paired with the Bright Eyes eye protection display, everything looks crisp, clear, and very comfortable to view. This new Wind Chaser color option is definitely going to grab attention. Around the back, you get a velvet glass finish combined with a copper-toned metal frame, which feels both premium and distinctive. The camera module still uses a one-piece cold-carved glass process, and in hand, the phone feels exceptionally refined. Plus, at just 8.4 millimeters thick, it's surprisingly lightweight. Beyond the dual 200 megapixel Hasselblad cameras, this device also introduces a second-generation single-lens refraction system. I've already had some hands-on time with the camera, and there's definitely a lot to look forward to. That said, since it hasn't been officially launched yet, there are still details I can't share. What I can say is that this phone brings some genuinely exciting features to the table. For now, this is just a quick unboxing and first impressions. I'll be dropping a full, in-depth review on April 21st, right after the official launch. If you're curious to see more, make sure to subscribe and join us for the full breakdown.